if n divided by n minus 1 times 1 divided by n times n divided by n plus 1 is equal to 5 divided by k for positive integers n and k, what is the value of k? At this moment, I encourage you to pause the video and solve it by yourself. Okay, I will solve it now. First, I will write domain. N and k are positive integers, so I will write n belongs to z plus, z integers, k belongs to z plus, and also because of divided by n minus 1, n cannot be equal to 1. Now, I can simplify because I have n in numerator and n in denominator, so n divided by n is just 1. This is 1 and this is 1. So my next step will be when I multiply fractions. When I multiply numerators, n times 1 is just n, and denominators I will have n minus 1 times n plus 1. And this is equal to 5 divided by k. Next step will be, what's the value of k? I want to calculate k. So I will take reciprocal of those fractions. 5 divided by k, I'll write it on the left side, will be k divided by 5. And I took reciprocal of left side, so I will take reciprocal of right side. N minus 1 times n plus 1 divided by n. At this moment, k divided by 5 will be equal, I'll just multiply bracket, FOIL, or I could use the formula a minus b times a plus b is equal a squared minus b squared. So this will be n squared minus 1 squared, 1 to power of 2, 1 times 1 is just 1. Okay, my next step will be k divided by 5 will be equal n squared divided by n is just n, and minus 1 divided by n. At this moment I don't want to have k divided by 5, I want to just have k, so I multiply both sides by 5. Then I will have k will be equal to 5n minus 5 divided by n. I know k and n are integers. 5n, n is integer, so 5 times n, this will be always integers, always integer. And 5 divided by n, this part is integer, for n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 5 only. I know because of domain n cannot be equal to 1, so n has to be equal to 5. When n is equal to 5, k will be equal. K is again 5n minus 5 divided by n, so k will be equal 5 times n, 5 times 5, minus 5 divided by n, 5 divided by 5, so k will be equal 5 times 5, 25, minus 1, so k is equal to 24. So the answer for this question is C. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to check my other math video problems and consider liking, sharing and subscribing.